Hello, my name is Richard L. Wingate. I'm here to share with you some tips and tricks. The hoop tool is very versatile and important in rockwork sculpting. The tip is that you should always keep one in your bag in case it's needed for curves and dishing when you sculpt a rockwork geology. If you forgot it or lost yours, here's a trick to help you finish the detail. You can always make one quickly from used banding material. Search through the construction mobilization area for scraps and shape it as needed. The beauty of it is you can change the shape by hand fairly quickly. Or with the use of a tool. Then make yourself a handle of sorts. I use duct tape in this example, and you have yourself a makeshift hoop tool. That's it, another tip and trick. I hope you find this trick as helpful as I have. I'm Richard. Thanks again for watching.